guys. Taking down the old NAPA sign. End of an era. Taking down the NAPA sign, painting the front of the shop, getting it ready for our signage, which will be installed in like a couple weeks, maybe, hopefully sooner. We'll see, who knows. But everything's coming together. The lobby is looking great. The granite got installed earlier today. I'm sure you guys may have seen the video clip already. If you haven't, I'll put it right now. Of the guys that never dropped the granite. The guys did exactly what they were supposed to do. They did a great job. The granite just kind of collapsed under its own weight. I don't know how it works. They said where the black joint was in the middle is kind of the weak point for it, and they were holding it. They didn't drop it. It just collapsed. It's just funny that it's not funny at all, but that is the smallest piece. It was the smallest piece that cracked, so that kind of sucks. But we already got Hunter working up here, taking these sign panels down. And we're gonna paint the front end. We got the paint right here, and the gallon is still inside the lobby. I still gotta grab the gallon, but we're gonna be painting the red on the front of the shop. Getting rid of all this red up here, making it not look so much like a mechanic shop. We're trying to lighten this place up a little bit. Except the top here. The top here is gonna be black. But other than that, everything down here will be a little lightened up. So we're gonna get after it. All right, the whole crew this week has been killing it, guys. We've been getting a lot of things done. Outside is looking a ton better with the old signage off of here. Finally, the NAPA sign has been put to rest. I'm sure it's done probably thousands of cars here in the city of Dothan, so served its time well, but it does look good. We tested out our color. We're definitely gonna have to do 2 coats, but the color, or actually we're gonna have to primer it first. That's what it actually needs. But the color up there is gonna be a black, like a really nice black color. It's called Onyx Black by Benjamin Moore. But that is what we need to do, primer first, but it'll be like a way darker black than that. I know what you're saying. It looks brown on camera. That's because it looks brown in person too. So, but we're getting it done. The sides of the doors are obviously gonna be white. This isn't primer. This is like a primer and a paint, exterior rated all in one. So the pillars are gonna be white. The doors are gonna be black. And it's going to tie in really nicely with the black, I guess, signage on the top of the building. So everything's going well. Everything's going very, very well. I'm going to update you in the lobby before we leave. We got a lot of stuff done. We've got a lot of stuff done in the lobby. I'll update you that before we leave tonight. Everything's going great. Hunter, what you think?
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Can't paint, man. Been a long day at work, but every day's a long day.
No, I think it looks a lot better. Yeah, I feel like the building looks like 30 years newer, I guess is the word for it, without that old signage up there. It's kind of crazy with a little bit of paint. will do.
Yeah, it's looking really, really good.
Really good. A little bit of tint.
A little bit of tint, a little bit of paint.
That's good.
The new signage is gonna look awesome on this thing, so. Well, we're almost done for today. We're getting things wrapped up. Paisley's helping. Paisley, you wanna tell them to subscribe? No?
Don't subscribe.
Don't subscribe. We're
Just
gonna
like the videos.
We're gonna retry. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Good job.
You gotta say it like
Good job. Let me know what y'all think. Getting this thing painted up. Spray foam guys are showing up. They had a pop tire on the way this morning, so it kind of sucks. So they're about an hour and a half late, but things happen. I hate that they had a pop tire, obviously. Hunter's up there tinting the windows. In the morning times, a lot of times, which it is right now, we will tint windows inside because it's not freezing, but we're not going to paint outside with it being 35 degrees. It just, the paint wouldn't really go on like it should. So we're going to wait till it warms up to about 60 around lunchtime, and then we're going to start spraying the outside of the shop frontage. Spray foam guys should be masking stuff off, prepping stuff for the roof. And by the way, you guys haven't seen the granite yet. Boom. You guys see that they dropped that one a couple days ago, but you haven't seen it since it's been replaced. So boom, the granite looks really, really good. They seamed it up very nice. They have to square it off. They'll be here around 10:30. They gotta like kind of move this thing and shift it because our spacings are off. Whenever we run the front siding to this cabinetry, it like all seams up nice and looks good. But the granite turned out great. You can see we're gonna have our Ceramic Pro sign there. Gonna probably have our menus right here. And this is where customers can kind of like check out and, you know, get information. We're gonna be selling product over here in this corner. Obviously we're still laying the tile down. This is going to be kind of the coffee bar where the mini fridge, we're gonna put siding on it too. It's gonna go underneath the 70-inch TV. We are picking up furniture this week to put furniture all in here for the lounge area for the customers. But I'm excited to have the spray foam done in the lobby so that we can put the ceiling tiles back up in the ceiling. But everything's going really, really good. First piece of furniture we've bought so far, other than the 70-inch TV, which we already have. But first piece of furniture is my office chair. So we got the Lazy Boy office chair, which is gonna go in the office, obviously. So first piece of furniture is here. But check out this granite, man. This granite turned out really, really good. And it's got a lot of darker colors in it, which matches the black wall right here really nicely. You may be wondering why this wall is black. Stay tuned. There's gonna be other walls that are black in here. You guys are just gonna have to stay tuned and see why we're doing that. It's all gonna make sense at the end. But things are going very, very well. The guys in the shop will show you what they're working on in the shop. Let's go check on the boys. Alrighty. In the shop, we have a GT500 that got pretty much everything done to it. We've got a Sierra. This is actually the Duramax version of the 1500. We do a lot of these. The Duramax version, we are doing a Ceramic Pro Gold package. We're coating the windshield. You can see all the lines in it. We're coating it. Nick is wiping down some glass. We're ceramic coating the glass on the side as well. But check out this GT500. This thing turned out great. The customer's gonna pick it up today. Ceramic Pro Gold package on it. We also did some paint protection film on the front end. Ceramic coated the wheels. Thing looks beautiful and is gonna stay looking that good for a long time. Lifetime warranty on our ceramic. We got Richie and Storm over there ceramic coating the wheels on the Sierra. Checking that out. And we should have a vehicle outside. It's badged a CTSV, but I don't think it's a CTSV. You guys let me know what you think. It's definitely not a V. We've already popped the hood and looked at it. I don't know why it's marked a V, but it is definitely not. You can tell by the wheels, you can tell by the calipers. Yeah, not a CTSV. So I'm not sure. I don't know what's going on with that situation, but I'm just here to polish, I'm here to correct the paint on this one and ceramic coat it. That's all I know. But yeah, that one's next on the list. And we got plenty next week to do too. Alrighty guys, we got everything masked off for spray foam. Going to be spraying in a couple of days. But everything is prepped in the lobby now. Everything's masked off. Obviously, we got to cover up the counter one more time. It was covered, but they had to come make some minor adjustments to the granite. It wasn't completely square, but now it is. So now that our siding will look good, so we're good there. But he said they should be able to spray this and be done in one day, and then we can put the ceiling tiles back up. So I'm excited. What do you think, Hunter? You excited? Everything's coming to fruition? No, not excited? Nothing to be excited about yet.
No, it's coming along.
Coming along. The guys are here getting the lifts and the engines right now. All the old equipment from the original shop that was here. So everything's moving along. Getting a lot of progress done this week. Got the old mini split done. The AC guy's going to be putting in 5 more mini splits in the main shop area starting next week. So there's a ton of progress to be made, being made. We want to be painting outside, but it's like 30 degrees and windy, and exterior paint with a gun when it's windy, I'm not paying for somebody a brand new paint job. So I'm not going to spray anything until it's not windy and it warms up a little bit. So it's just delaying us a little bit, but hey, we'll get it painted and we'll get it done. Everything's going good. Getting tired of tinting windows yet, Hunter?
Not yet.
Hunter is like halfway through with this thing. He's on the 3rd row from the bottom now. He tinted all the ones up top except the corner 2 because he got to move the lift tomorrow.
Yeah, I got to move the lift so I can fix that scaffolding over here because what is like a alignment, I'm assuming?
Alignment rack, yeah.
Yeah, so those are in the way. So I think scaffolding over here, but maybe tomorrow they'll get it out of here and we can knock out that door completely.
We got the guys in the shop working on some cars, and we got Storm out here who's been a trooper. Storm is working on painting the 2nd layer on these pillars. He's masking up so we can get these edges that last a little bit of red. Let me know what you guys think about this part right here. Somehow we forgot to paint last night, but everything else is painted. Let me know what you guys think the building looks like now. We tried to paint the blue today. We were going to paint the blue today, but it is way too cold, way too windy. It just started getting warm out here, which kind of sucks because we could have, if we would have known it was going to get warmer, pre-planned to have it staged for ready, or have everything ready, but it's just the weather has been not cooperating all day. Tomorrow we're going to try to get up there and paint the blue black and see what it looks like. The black we were trying to go with doesn't look like it's going to work without a primer, which kind of knew that anyway. But it looks more brown than anything up there right now. So I can show you a little closer. Without primer, we don't think it's going to work without primer, but overall the building's starting to come together really well. So we're on track for everything from spray foam to the asphalt being done to the signage being put on. We're right on track for everything, and I think we're going to hit our deadline of 17 February, which is going to be the grand opening here, 17 February. So that's what we're shooting for. We've got a lot to get done before then, so stay tuned for the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you're staying tuned for the videos. I'm probably going to end out this video here only because we got a lot more to do, and I don't want to get these videos way too long. But what do you think, Storm? You excited to come together?
Hey, man, it's looking good. Everybody put in the work. You know, teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh, yeah. Storm's busy putting in applications for new jobs. That's what he's been doing. That's what he's been doing every day. No, I'm just joking, but hey, we appreciate the support, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about all the improvements so far. We'll see you in the next video. Tons more work to get done, starting with spray foam on Monday, so stay tuned for that. AC guy will be here the next day too, so we got more AC to put up. Stay tuned for everything. Thanks for the support. Subscribe if you're new. Smash the like button before you leave, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.